Hello, welcome my YouTube channel. Today my topic personal injury. After a serious accident, you may face maintaining medical bills and needed to take time off from work. You may feel about how you will pay off for treatment and how you will support your family during this time. If you were injured through the fault of another person in your may be available to recover compensation by bringing a lawsuit. You should consult the experienced Los Angeles and country's personal injury lawyers at the Canal Law Group about your situation. We represent people Asos, California, and other firms are recovered settlement and worth $1 million. Some of the most common type of personal injury cases involve motor vehicle accident. All drivers in California are expected to use reasonable care and operate their vehicles safely. If a driver does not use reasonable care in the victim or liability, for example, if you will had the right of a way you should be able to hold then rival responsible for the damage that the causes. Slip and fall are another common type of personal injury case. The property owners or occur of California are required to protect people who enter their property from injured as a result of dangerous conditions of which they know or should know. You can hold a property owner or acquire accountable from for harm caused by a slip and fall if you can show that the property on a acquire news or should have known about the dangerous conditions. The property owner to acquire failed to repair to prove warning of the danger and you ever injured as a result of the dangerous condition. If some cases are personal injury, attorney is County of Los Angeles can help a victim hold for the harm caused by the employee or indicative liability can be imposed on employee if an employee was in course of sport or employment at the time that they caused an accident. An employee can also be held directly liable from its own negligence training or employee who cases injured. For example, in a truck accident case, a truck company could be held responsible under a theory of negligence herring on an unfit truck driver who caused an accident. After difficult in personal injuries lawsuit defense of comparative negligence. This required them to prove that the plane lift was partly responsible for the accident as a claim for damage required to California follow the principle of pure negligence, which means that you will be from recovering damage if you ever party at fault. The knowledgeable Los Angeles or country personal injury attorney will know how to contain their and maximum damages. If you liability in a personal injury lawsuit, you likely can recover damages. Your damages could include both in an economic and non-economic losing stemming from and often they submit with documentation they are losing a harm they can ever depending on your treatment and the skill of attorney presenting your case the may including loss of enjoyment of life, pain, and suffering mental and loss of conjoining.